Hello and welcome. This is Abdul, and here I'm going to take you through some of the steps we took as a team. Me, Diana, Helen, Nesto, Lucy, Natasha, and Basma in creating a wonderful course, English for Travelers, as part of the MM15 CPA5 course completion. So the course began in the early days of June, and when I joined in, I found the activity provided by Nelly Dosh as engaging. She asked us to share the story part, and this activity brought all the people together. We began to know about each other, we began to discuss with them about their story. So, this was very communicative in function. And after that, people began to form groups. And I too decided to create one group for myself so that I could bring in like-minded people from other parts of the world and work together for a coursework. So I thought of doing it on communicative language teaching, and the group for CLT was formed. Along with the group announcement, the team announcement, I shared the team document, team policy document, and course syllabus document. And these documents were available. The links were provided, shared on this team announcement. And after 1 or 2 days, I found Helen, Helen and Nesto joining in. Soon Natasha too joined in. With their arrival, I got more inspiration and I began to work actively with my team members. So soon Nestor began to schedule Zoom meetings. Nestor was very keen on, particular on scheduling regular sessions for us. So all these sessions helped us to work together and decide on the themes and topics we needed to bring in for the course. So there were several meetings. I can show you some of the meetings. So the meetings were all recorded by Nestor and shared it on a particular link. So this is the course we designed. So at the end part of it, we had a particular section, and this section listed all the course Zoom meetings. So this was the logo I created in the beginning to attract takers for my course, and so this was the first course meeting, second meeting, third meeting, number of meetings, and all these meetings were really productive, fruitful. So they helped us to focus on particular topics and design course materials for the course. So these Zoom meetings were significant, very significant. Helen was from Australia, and so there were other people from Europe, people from Middle East, people from Canada, people from from New York, US, and so these people, even though they belong to different parts of the world, work together. They burned the midnight oil to come out with this course. So this course had so much components. So all these tabs and all these sections you find here were the product of several deliberations, heated discussions. So even the placement of course topics were subjected to continuous discussions, and these things were always decided upon with several sittings together. So this is the course. These are the links for the Zoom meetings. Let me take you through some of the course. So we had information desk like that. So the course theme was actually decided upon English for travelers. So the communicative language teaching being the theme, being the focus, being the approach, we had a beautiful theme, English for travelers, a short-term course for travelers. So this travel theme, this component had 7 topics. The first one was at the airport, at the hotel, directions and sightseeing, cuisine, at the restaurant, shopping, at the doctor. So all these components were integral part of the course. So, but there was no necessity for the course takers to begin from any individual comment. People were free. Course takers are free to choose any of the sections they like and begin. So the units were really independent in that sense, but they were part of the whole course. So the theme, the course takers were supposed to be travel participants, co-travelers. So we had beautifully designed these narratives. So the course came out like this, with the constant effort of all the 7 travelers, 7 co-travelers, me, Helen, Nesto, Natasha, Diana, Lucy, and Vesma. So the WhatsApp group created by Helen was really significant to keep all the members on track. So this coursework gave us so much, made us learn so much lessons. So the lessons we learned during this coursework, this collaborative activities, this collaborative work is so significant that we will be able to carry through, we will be able to take to heart the lessons we learn to explore further with Moodle. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.